Hello everyone, today I want to talk about another indicator called RSI or Relative Strength Index. Let me add it to the indicator. If you go to indicators on trading view and just type RSI, you will see that here Relative Strength Index. Okay, it's a bit slow, I don't know why. Yep, it's added to the chart. We are looking at Nasdaq price and we are on the daily charts. For the settings, I normally change the period to 7. Okay. Sorry. 7. Yep. RSI or Relative Strength Index fluctuates between 0 and 100. Normally, it's a momentum oscillator. I have other videos about the momentum indicators like money flow index or momentum indicator as well. You can go and have a look at those ones so you can familiarize yourself with the momentum indicator side. When the RSI increases, it means that average gains are greater than average losses, or just simply the market is bullish. And when it decreases, then it means that average gains are less than average losses, and we are in a bearish market. How to use this indicator? I always say that trade in the direction of trend. So this is very good for trend recognition, as I said, but I'm not using RSI for that reason, as it normally shows the just the short-term trends, and we are talking about the long-term trends. So I'm going to add 2 moving averages to the chart. I just don't know why it's a bit slow today. Okay, so this moving average, I'm gonna change the period to 200, and also I'm adding another moving average, 50. Oops, sorry, moving average. Yeah, the number on this one, I will change it to maybe it's better if I change the color of one of them to something else. So okay, any color that's different from the other one. And this one, yeah. So as I said, we try to trade in the direction of trend. It means that from this point we can see clearly that we are in an uptrend. Let me just add an arrow so we can see what I'm talking about here. You can see we have a very good uptrend from here. I changed the period to 7. The reason is if you use smaller period, you get more signals. I know it may looks like that you're getting some false signals, but for RSI, when it's in direction of trend, it's very helpful, and you're getting very nice signals by choosing this number itself instead of the normal preset number of 14. Okay. Normally when RSI is above 50, it means that we are in uptrend, and below 50, it means that we are in downtrend anyway. That's something that traditionally traders talk about. But as I said, I'm not using RSI for trend recognizing anyway. So we just emphasizing on the overbought and oversold situations. Okay, so we are looking at Nasdaq daily chart. It has been in an uptrend since May 20. In this market, we should look for oversold positions, location. So as you can see, we have one oversold here. That was the first one. So you could enter here, buy. Again, you can see another entry here. When you enter market here, normally just close it when it goes above the 70 and goes back. So you enter here when it's in oversold after it pullbacks from under the 30, then it goes just above 70, and when it wants to go back below 70 number, we close the trade here. As you can see, very nice. Okay, here again it goes below 30 here, so we may enter another trade just here, and it goes above 70, and when it's coming back, we close the trade. So from here again, good gain. Yeah, as long as in uptrend, you can see the MA50 is above MA200, so we are in uptrend. We can just open more line position. Again, it gives another buy here, but it goes back, so this is one of the false signals. But anyway, it gives you another buy signal here, which we hoping it goes back up about 70, then we can close it. But anyway, the number of good signals are higher than the false signals, and I really like this using on stocks, indexes, and even if you can use it on other, even forex, if you go on forex and just look where you are in uptrend, like here, for good entries. You can see here you enter, then it goes high. Or but yeah, it's better to be used on stock market or indexes, or even cryptocurrencies. So on Bitcoin, for example, or any other cryptocurrency. Again, you can use RSI to for good entries. Sorry, I don't know why today. Just my computer is slow. Probably there is. So, as I said, yeah, you can see here Bitcoin. So this is one entry, then gives you entry here, and entry here in the option. Yep. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and have a nice day.